Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, I just want to cover one more small scenario here that we may need when we are working on a project. See, consider that I'm working on this UI catalog app. Okay, this is the application that I'm working right now. And I just want to press a home button. Okay, so whenever I'm doing that, I just clicked on this particular home manually, which will takes me to the home screen. But I want to write down a command, okay, in an XCUI test that will perform a home button pressing. So that's the reason function test press home button. I have just created a function for that. And initially I was just giving a sleep for couple of seconds here. Okay, I'm asking it to sleep for 3 seconds. And now, how I am gonna achieve this particular, pressing of this particular home means XCUI device on that particular device. Okay, what I wanna do right now is I just wanna perform a press operation, and this press operation would come from the XCUI device, and of course that's a button, and if you see, that's a home button. Okay, I can do this particular home button pressing and add a sleep for another 1 second. Okay, this is what I just want to deal, guys. So the only thing I want to do is how exactly I can press this home button. So what I'm doing is I was just using this XCUI device where in which I'm pressing the button home. This is the chunk. And whenever you are working on your programs, if at all you want to use this, you can use this particular chunk. Okay, so guys, whatever the points I'm just sharing out over here, I tried out practically and I implemented it, and then I'm sharing with you all. Okay, perfect. Let me try to run this application. And before running this, what I'm doing is I just launched this UI catalog app on my mobile. Okay, so this mobile app contains that screen, and it pressed the home icon and it moved out. So that's the thing basically. So this is the way how exactly you can deal with this particular home. Okay, perfect. Done the deal. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.